Namaste, I'm Shashank.H.U. I'm a very passionate engineering student, very enthusiastic about turning ideas into reality and building projects. So yesterday, as I saw the presentation, I decided to build an MVP for the first option you gave, like LinkedIn sales automation. Without wasting any further time, let me show you my code and explain what we have built. Uh, so, okay, this is okay. Okay, prime time. Then we'll. So this is the web page we have built here. You need to enter the prompt of what are the requirements, like LinkedIn. What role are you designing for, and what tone do you want to message them? So you just give it the prompt here. There's some sample prompt, anything in random you can give it here. So but I give this one. So it's asking e-commerce companies in Europe, and it should be in enthusiastic zone. So let us create here, and now it will ask us. We'll go to cursor and see what's behind. So there's a LinkedIn scraping tool working on. We have this puppy here to scrape data from LinkedIn. It is asking for us to complete the puzzle. Okay, due to some security policies, we need to complete this thing. And after that, it searches for the e-commerce website founders in Europe. So then we need to go there and okay, co-founder there are 10 results currently on. Okay. So due to some security policies, it was unable to scrape the data from LinkedIn as of now because there are no reliable APIs found on the internet for LinkedIn. We have used a second fallback mechanism here, fallback JSON file, which has sample data of like 100 together. So based on the prompt, it is similar to the LinkedIn data. So it compares to the data and which is more accurate and features are related. So it gives us the score, and then it provides us with the message which we should see here. So here's the three follow-up messages generated by OpenAI APIs. First one is day 0 and day 3 and day 7. What happens is when we give the prompt in the initial stage, it converts to the JSON file it is converted by OpenAI API, and then the features are extracted, the features are compared, and then then it is OpenAI. We use OpenAI API to generate messages which we need to send to the selected people. Due to unavailability of reliable API, we can't directly send, but now as of now we can get the messages. So prompt, maybe we can give some other thing, and also search, like it should include the industry and the location, and we searches for the data there. See again, there's a launch LinkedIn page. So the scraper tool is doing its work. Start puzzle. What's this? Which one? This one. Yeah, very fixed, very fast. So due to the security policies, it's been difficult process for us to do it fully automated. Then here we are. We need to. I'll select top 3. Okay, then closing browser, it has selected the top 3 and then compares them and gives us the output. Like here, Kavya wins. The Kavya was the best decision. So see here, there are 3 messages generated for Kavya for day 0, day 3, and day 7. So it was very, really nice to build this project, and hope we can collaborate further and build it more and complete this. Thank you. In the other section, I have explained about the web looks. Like let me show you the code in this video. Um, okay. Mm, More. Okay. Now we're ready to go. So what happens is when I click the link and go, I think we were unable to see the Chrome page due to some restrictions by Windows. I have given a prompt now. Now we should look into what happens in the back. And so attempting to scrap profiles, launching browser. So it's trying to login in. Now I'm moving to another Chrome profile where it's asking me to solve a puzzle due to privacy reasons. I solve the puzzle, and now you just keep checking the back end of the thing, and then now it searches for the co-founder in Europe region. Now I'll select top 3 co-founders there. So then it takes all of the. I think the process failed. Okay. Sometimes due to security reasons, what happens? We will be unable to scrape the data from LinkedIn. So to cope up with that, I have used a fallback mechanism, JSON files, which has like similar data to the LinkedIn profiles. So based on this, it computes the score and gives the best possible thing. So here for the prompt, I enter Anjali was the best decision. Uh, again, so OpenAI API gives us 3 different messages, follow-up messages which should be submitted. And what we have done is like we have integrated OpenAI API using keys and the fake LinkedIn profile. So this is all about the tech, and I've used Cursor AI to do this thing. Thank you.